Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a Dodge Journey and I will show you how you can try and recharge the AC, the air conditioner, by yourself. Now my Journey is a 2010, but the process will be pretty much the same on any model, even up to 2021. Okay, now to recharge the air conditioner by yourself, you will need the AC recharge kit. It comes with this hose and it comes with 2 cans of the Freon. Now you can buy this pretty much anywhere, any car parts store will have it, Amazon, eBay, Walmart. It's very easy to find and get it. If on sale, you can buy it for as low as $29–30. That's the lowest I've seen them. The good thing is, once you have this kit, you pretty much have to buy only the cans to reuse it, because this hose is reusable for hundreds if not thousands of times. And these cans usually cost in the summer between $5 and $10 depending on the store. So you can pretty much recharge your AC every summer for $10. Now some people will say this is not the way to do it, you have to do it properly, you have to take it to a mechanical shop, which will charge you at least $150, and yes, they will do a much better job because they have a professional equipment which they will connect to the low pressure charging port and the high pressure port, and they will do the better job. But if you want to save money, and especially if you drive an older, cheaper vehicle, you can definitely do this by yourself. That's why these kits are being sold. I own a small car dealership and I recharge the AC by myself every summer on almost every vehicle and never had any kind of problems, and it always works. So it's up to you, you are doing it at your own risk. In this video I'm just showing you how to do it. The most important thing is you don't want to overcharge it, so you always have to pay attention to this, and you don't want to get into the red, right? So you want to charge it just enough, so depending on the amount of refrigerant in your system, you might need just 1 can, maybe half a can, or if you're completely empty, maybe the 2 cans. Okay, now to start, first you have to locate the low pressure charging port on your vehicle, on your Dodge Journey. Now on this Journey, it's a 2010, it's gonna be all the way back there. I'm gonna try and zoom it in. There is like a small black cap, hope you can see it. And this is the low pressure charging port. I'm pretty sure on every Journey it's gonna be located there, but if it's not, this is what you are looking for. So first thing you want to do, you just want to unscrew that cap. Okay, I have the cap off, and now I will zoom it in one more time so you can see how that port actually looks like, so you know what you are looking for. This is how it looks. Now this right here is a high pressure port which you will not be using, and even if you remove the cover you will see it looks a bit different. So you always want to connect to low pressure charging port, which is all the way back there. First thing to do before you can start actually to charge the AC, you want to connect the can to this connector on the hose. So just want to pretty much screw it on. So like I said, you just want to screw the can onto this connector. And you want to tighten it pretty hard. Now once that is done, this screw on the top is actually used to pierce the can so the coolant can go out and being charged into the vehicle system. But before that you don't want to pierce it now because it's gonna get out through this side. You have to connect this side onto that low pressure charging port right in there, which I showed you just before. So to connect it, you want to squeeze your hand in there. You just want to lift this blue sleeve and connect it to the port. It should just snap on. And once that is connected, at that point you can pierce that can with this screw. Okay, now once you have connected the low pressure charging port, what you want to do next, you want to turn this screw all the way in to pierce the can. So all the way in. And once this is done, your AC is ready to be charged, and you can proceed inside to start the vehicle and turn the blower to the highest setting. Now once everything is connected and good to go, you want to start your Dodge Journey. You want to turn the blower to the highest setting. You want to turn the AC on, and you want to circulation set to in cabin. So AC on and circulation in the cabin. And now leave the vehicle running and proceed outside. Okay, so to charge the AC, you want to slowly start releasing this screw. This doesn't have to be done fast, just take your time and slowly do it. And the coolant will slowly get into the system. And make sure to keep checking the amount of refrigerant in your system so you don't overcharge it. Now what I like to do when I'm halfway done with this can, I like to take a break and go inside the vehicle and see if there is any difference in the air that's being blown out. So like I said, just proceed inside of the car and try to feel if there is any difference, if that AC is blowing any colder. In my case, I can definitely feel the difference, and I used only half a can so far because my system is not completely empty. So what I will do, I will continue outside and I will empty that can, and I'm pretty sure that will be enough to completely charge my system. Like I said, if your system is completely empty, you might need a bit more. Okay, so just proceed with releasing the refrigerant until the can is empty. Like I said, just do it slowly, no rush. Okay, that's pretty much it. My can is empty, and now I will go again inside to see the results, and I will check the amount of refrigerant in my system. Once you're done and happy with the results, make sure to turn off the vehicle. Now before disconnecting the low pressure charging port, make sure to turn this screw again all the way in. Because once you disconnect the low pressure charging port, if there is anything left in the can, it will not get out. So just turn it all the way, and now you can proceed to disconnect the hose. Okay, once the hose is disconnected, now you can safely remove this can. Now if there is still refrigerant left inside of the can, that's fine, you can leave it like this and have it reused on another vehicle or next summer or whatever you want. Just remember, if you unscrew the can, whatever is left in the can will get out. If you have to use one more can and this one is empty, you will just do everything like I showed you at the beginning. So you will first remove this can, then you will remove that screw all the way out, you will screw on the new can, then you will connect the low pressure charging port, and then you will pierce the can and repeat the complete process. And that's pretty much everything you have to do. It's very easy to recharge this AC by yourself. Also, when you're done, don't forget to put that black cap back onto the low pressure charging port. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational, and that you were able to have your AC recharged and you don't have to take it to a mechanical shop and spend at least $150. Now, there's a couple of things here I have to still mention. This will work for you only in case you don't have any kind of leaks in the system, your AC compressor works fine and things like that. If you have a major leak or something, all the coolant you charge into the system will just leak out, and obviously your AC will not be working. If you have a small leak, now there is something you can do. They also sell this kind of cans, but they are called AC stop leak. So it's a refrigerant mixed up with some kind of stop leak solution, and you can do that. You can charge that into the system the same way I showed you this, and that will take care of minor leaks and your AC will be charged up. In case you have a big major leak, or if your AC compressor is not working or things like that, then you will have to take it to a mechanical shop for proper diagnosis. They have all the right tools and everything to figure out where is the leak. They have the dye and they will charge the system with the dye, and that will show the location of the leak. Or if the AC compressor is blown, they can also test it. Thank you for visiting my channel. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.